Hi.
Hi. Do you have a table for 3?
Yes. This way, please. We have a table over there by the window or over here by the wall?
That one?
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
What do you want?
I want the eggplant.
How about you, Kevin?
I want the hamburger special. No offense, Dean.
I'm the vegetarian, not you.
What can I get for you?
The eggplant, please.
I'm sorry, we don't have the eggplant.
Oh,
We have a nice baked vegetable parmesan.
that's fine.
Do you have fruit salad?
Yes.
That place, with some rolls.
I want the hamburger special, please. With onions and peppers and some vinegar for the fries.
Vinegar?
You can try one.
Do you want any drinks?
Do you have that nice Italian mineral water?
Sure. Anything else?
No, thanks.
All set.
All set.